Look at the score, please. All right. Our second round is the science round. Are all the teams ready? All right. Grade 1A, we can't continue if you keep talking. Children in the audience, please maintain silence. Thank you. All right, I'm going to show you a picture. You need to identify the picture and spell the animal. All right, look at the picture. Identify the animal shown and spell. The first picture, please. Team 1, this one is for you. Team 1, name of the animal. Tell me the name. Pick up the mic.
Ostrich.
Ostrich. Excellent. Can you spell ostrich for me?
Ostrich.
Well done, Team 1. Team 2, it's your turn. Look at the picture. Team 2, look at the picture.
It's the first team's chance. Okay. We'll see the question first. Okay, name the country where stories like the Pied Piper of Hamelin originated from. That's team 1. First, you need to just give me the answer if you know it. Does anybody else in the other teams know the answer? Only the answer. Yes, Kevin?
Germany.
Perfect. All right, team 1. Team 1, will you spell Germany for me? It's team 1's turn.
Germany.
That's absolutely correct. Moving on to team B. Team 2. Name the country where people speak Spanish and one can see a bullfight. Yes, team B?
Spain.
Spain, right. Spell Spain for us.
S-P-A-I-N.
Perfect. Moving on to the third team. Name the country where Muslims go on a pilgrimage for Hajj. It's team 3's turn. First. Yes, Yashas?
Saudi Arabia.
Can you spell Saudi Arabia for me?
S-A.
Sorry.
S-W-I-S.
Switzerland. Switzerland. For 20, team 5 30, team 6 30, team 7 20 and team 8 with 30 points. Now moving on to the next round. Alright, participants, you need to be very quiet. And audience. Okay? Now listen to listen to the instructions carefully. Team 1, there is a word with 3 different spelling. You have to choose the right spelling. You have to tell us whether it's A, B or C. Got it? Alright? Okay. Sorry, it's 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so you will tell us whether it's 1, 2 or 3. Okay, we'll begin with team 1. Okay, look at the word. Okay, the word is achieve. The word is achieve. Tell me.
2.
That's incorrect. The question passes. Sorry, there are no bonus points, but he can answer it.
1.
You're right. Okay? No. But there are no bonus points for this. Sorry, 3. Sorry. Team 1, you get is auditorium. Auditorium. Spell the word auditorium. Right. Children in the audience, you need to be quiet, otherwise your team is going to lose points. They need to think. Yes, pick up the mic and spell the word.
AUDITORIUM.
Perfect, that's absolutely right. Alright, team 2, your word is library. Library. Not yours. Team 2. Yes, pick up the mic.
LIBRARY.
That is perfect. Correct. Team 1.
LABORATRY.
I'm sorry, that's incorrect. The question passes to the next team.
LABORITRY.
I'm sorry, that's incorrect. The question passes to the next team. Yes. Yashas.
LABORITY.
Alright, the next team. Yashas, wait.
LABORITARY.
That is incorrect. Yashas, we're not giving you points for that, but you can spell it. But I think you know it.
TARY.
Sorry, that's incorrect. Okay? Yes, give him a chance also. He wanted to spell it.
LIBORITY.
Sorry, that's incorrect. Alright, we'll have a look at the word. It's LABORAT. Spell the word plumber.
PLUMBER.
Yes, that's correct. It has a silent letter B in the word. Moving on to team 2, your word is the electrician. The word is
IPAN.
perfect. He's absolutely right. We come to the end of round 6. Audience, we have a word for you.
Third round, I'll come to each team and I'll ask one child to spell that word. So every child gets a chance to spell. If your word is incorrect, you get no points. Alright, it can't be passed on to anyone. So I'm going to ask team 1, everyone must listen. All participants must look this side. Team 7, look here. Your word. Okay, your first word, you will spell the word circle. Only she will. Write the word circle. Spell it for us.
C-I-C-L-E.
That's incorrect. The next word goes to you. Your word is tournament. You know, you have a cricket tournament, a tennis tournament. Write the word. Tournament. Everyone must be very quiet. These are very difficult words. They have to think. Tournament. Try. It's only a try. Try.
T-O-N-A-M-E-N-T.
That's incorrect. Your third word for this team is dedication. Dedication. The words are tough because we want to choose the best speller. So everyone must be very quiet. Dedication.
D-E-D-E-E-K-A-T-I-O-N.
Okay, that's not right, son. The next word for you, Anitej, is mathematics. Mathematics. Everyone is going to get a chance. Mathematics. Mathematics. Okay, try. Try.
M
Children, you must be very quiet, please.
at A-M-A-T-I-C-K-S.
Okay, no points for this team. The next, it's in.
D-E-C-G-I-S-E-D.
Okay, that's not right. Moving on to the next participant. Your word is stomach. Stomach. Spell.
S-T-O-M-A-C-H.
Excellent. Moving on to the last.
Having big cup is the reason why I never feel alone. Playing in the nursery, sitting on the step. Whatever I am busy at, Twinkle will be there. Oh, Daddy is clever. The clever doesn't matter. And Mummy knows all. Anybody can. And Nanny is Nanny. And I call her Nanny. But they can't see Twinkle. Twinkle always talking so that teacher he sometimes likes to do it in a funny sort of and sometimes likes to do it in a foolish sort of way. Then I have to do it for him because his throat is rather short. Oh, Daddy is clever with a clever word of magic, and Mummy knows all. Anybody can. And Nanny is Nanny, as I call her Nanny. But they can't. They because they were tired children. Because they were tired children running in the park. Because they were tired children.
Hillary ma'am, can we have the results, please? Okay, now looking at the points on the scoreboard. In third position, we have Team 1. In fact, there is a tie in the second place. Sorry, in second place there is a tie also in the third place. But we'll just call up the children one by one. Team 1. Where is Team 1? Please come up here. You will shake hands with ma'am. Team 1, Anitej, please come up here. Please clap for them. Team 1 and Team 6. kids, please come up here. Ma'am, you just shake hands with them and we take a photograph. Come, stand, take a photograph.